Hi, my name is Adam Penner, and I'm a technician here at SDS Automation. Congratulations on your new machine. In this video, we are going to look at the initial assembly of your ChannelBender. By following these steps, you can get your machine assembled and in place before your technician even gets there. This allows you to position your machine exactly where you want it and gives you more time with the technician on site for training, calibration, and running production. Included with your machine is going to be a coil stand, voltage regulator, the necessary connections, a toolbox with all the tools you'll need, your monitor arm, monitor, keyboard tray, keyboard and mouse, and your output table. To begin, we're going to start with the outfeed table. By putting this on first, we'll get a full picture of the size of the machine before we place it in its final location.
Using a 5mm hex key, remove the 2 screws from the bottom of the table posts. Place the table frame at the end of the table with the support arms facing you and fold them out. Lift the table frame onto the table posts and align the screw with the hole in the top of the post. Start the first screw with a couple of turns, but don't tighten all the way. Move to the other post and start the screw. Once both screws have been started, you can now tighten both screws. Let's move to the support arm. Using one of the screws we removed earlier, place it through the bracket and onto the post. You will notice a nut in the post. Repeat for the other support arm. Now, let's place the tabletop onto the table frame. You will notice screws on the bottom of the tabletop that align with the slots in the table frame. Let's mount the keyboard tray. Start by removing the 2 screws. With keyboard tray in hand, get the first screw started with a 6mm hex key. Some machines have 3 screws that hold the keyboard tray onto the machine. These bolts are inserted from under the keyboard tray and tightened. This is done with a 5mm hex key. Once both screws are started, you can tighten both. Place the keyboard, mousepad, and mouse on the keyboard tray. Begin by connecting the monitor bracket to the back of the monitor with the 4 included thumb screws. Place the horizontal arm onto the post mounted on the side of the machine. Next, place the vertical arm onto the horizontal arm. Then, the monitor onto the vertical arm and push the monitor back and away from the machine's keyboard tray. Once the machine is in the position where you would like it, you can put the 4 leveling feet to the ground to stabilize it.
Congratulations, you're now ready for your technician to come and do the training calibration on your new ChannelBender. Your output table, keyboard tray, and monitor are all installed, and your feet are down in the final location for the machine. Congratulations.